Alright, back again. Got this 2000 Infiniti i30. It's stalling when we start it in the morning. Not good. Not okay. So I was working on the mass airflow sensor because that's what the code read, but we found something else. So what I found was, so here's the mass airflow sensor. Looks like I can spray into it from there. I got some cleaner. I'm gonna try cleaning it first. To get it out, this bottom bolt was a real pain in the butt. It's way down there. So I had to like basically take all the air filter assembly apart. But I didn't want to remove everything, so I just loosened all the bolts so it could wiggle. But then, what do we find here? Oh, the air intake hose has a huge rip in it. So I had to go get a new one of those. So I think that may be why it makes this funny sound. Clean this up, replace that. Hopefully it'll stop stalling when it starts in the morning. Get messed up. It's actually got tears on both sides. This one's in bad shape. Really old, really hard. Nice new one from Dorman. Looking good. Get the mass airflow sensor cleaner. So I'm trying to blow all that out. Alright, since that one way down there is such a pain in the ass, I'm going to try to get it started before I get everything reconfigured and reassembled here. Pray that nothing breaks. Alright, so these actually popped off super easy. Just came right out. Don't need to cut nothing. That's cool. Alright, got it all tightened back up. Put together. Don't over tighten those clamps because they are on rubber and plastic. Over here you got metal and plastic, so it's safer to tighten it down. And I'll rig back up. Got a new air filter. Well, you know if it works. First step, mass airflow filter cleaner. Sensor, I mean. It's airflow sensor cleaner. Try it first. Peace.